Hey everybody, it's Shark Scrapper. You know, sometimes you just gotta turn down some streets that you've never gone down before, because you don't know what you're gonna find. Kind of a weird gate. Doesn't want to lay down all the way. Ooh, we'll see if that becomes a problem at some point. Yeah, I picked up a basketball backstop. There was a kid hanging around there, so I didn't want to record. So that probably had glass shelving on it that's since died and gone away. Little bucket. Might grab the bucket. You never know when a little bucket can come in handy. Don't weigh much. You don't weigh much at all, and you take up a lot of space. I'm probably going to regret picking that up. Oh well. So this is where I knew I was going to regret picking up that, because now I want to put that in. So we'll have to figure out how this is going to happen. Ooh, that's a nice big cable too. Okay. Yeah, I'm not going to cut that cable because it may be yeah, I think I can remove that cable, and it might, which will give me more value because it might be something that I can sell. All right, let's get these folks bin. Here for them. Hopefully you will come on. All right, I know how to solve this problem. We'll just get you out of the way for a minute while we get you loaded up. Let's put you back in here. Move you over a little bit. Up we go. Well, that was annoying. I almost broke another glass. Haven't done that for a while. Now then, yeah, you're hung up on that. There we go. Oh, I know what the problem. There we go. Yeah, I want to get you guys out of there. That's just glass. That's going to break at some point. Keep you in there. All right. Hey, are you guys stainless? Probably not. I lost my other magnet. Oh, and then there were none. You go back up. You you're going in here. There we go. And just to keep everything clean for these folks, I'm going to take their trash along with their blower that was left out. There we go. So a little checking out some streets I hadn't been on before and $26 worth of scrap later. I'd say it was a pretty good afternoon. All right, everybody, this is the Shark Scrapper. Link's going to pop up to take you to more of my street scrapping videos. If you enjoyed this one, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. That's the little red button in the lower right-hand corner. Y'all have a great day. And don't forget, explore a little bit.